Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Monday morning, September 2nd, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll! The stock market highlights from Friday, August 30, 2024. The momentum remains strong in the equity benchmarks as the Nifty 50 recorded a fresh all-time high for the third consecutive session, closing about 25,200 for the first time on August 30, the first day of the September series. With a consistent uptrend lasting 12 days, the index achieved its longest winning streak in 31 years. The index hit an all-time high of 25,268 during the intraday trade on Friday. Both the indices ended the week's last trading session at record high closing levels, fueled by massive buying across sectors. All at close, the Sensex was up 231 points or 0.28% at 82,366, and the Nifty was up 84 points or 0.33% at 25,236. Bank Nifty index ended higher by 198 points or 0.39% to settle at 51,351. After a dip from profit taking the previous day, the broader market rebounded quickly, with the mid cap and the small cap indices climbing 0.5 and 0.8% respectively, outperforming the main indices. Despite concerns from analysts about stretch valuations, the mid and the small cap indices have demonstrated resilience and continue to significantly outpace the Nifty's year-to-date performance. Cipla, Bajaj Finance, Mahindra & Mahindra, Divis Labs, and NTPC were the top gainers on the NSE Nifty 50, while the drags included Tata Motors, HDFC Bank, Tech Mahindra, Coal India, and Reliance Industries. Among the sectors, Nifty IT and Pharma hit record highs, settling with gains of 0.46% and 1.48%, respectively. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty, Nifty PSU Bank, and Nifty Auto indices advanced for the second consecutive session. Also, Nifty Realty snapped a two-session losing streak, led by Prestige, Phoenix Mills, and Oberoi Realty, ending the index higher by 1.83%. Out of the 13 sectoral indices, the FMCG index was the sole laggard, slightly weighing on overall sentiment as declines in ITC, Marico, and Dabur pulled the index down. However, the 12 remaining indices advanced. The Indian Volatility Index, India VIX, closed down by 2.70% at 13.42. Global news, the S&P 500 climbed 1.01% to end at 5,648 points. The Nasdaq Composite Index climbed 1.13% to 17,714 points, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.55% to 41,568 points as stocks rose on Wall Street on the back of a string of encouraging economic data, suggesting the good health of the US economy, and the Dow scored a second consecutive all-time closing high on Friday. Today, however, is a Labor Day holiday for the US market. Brent crude, the global oil benchmark, is significantly down at $76.53 a barrel. Gold is trading at rupees 71,870. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market, the continuation of higher highs and higher lows for the third consecutive week, along with the formation of a long bullish candlestick pattern on the weekly chart and positive momentum indicators, suggests that the market may continue its upward move in the coming sessions, albeit with intermittent consolidation. According to experts, the next target to focus on would be 25,400 on the Nifty 50, while support lies at 25,000. The Nifty 50 opened higher at 25,250 and hit a new high of 25,268 during a positive trading session on Friday, August 30. The index rose 84 points to close at 25,236, forming a doji-like candlestick pattern, though not a classic one, on the daily charts, indicating indecision among bulls and the bears. The reciprocal retracement of the August decline points to near-term targets of 25,400 and 25,500. During this week's up move, the market left behind a couple of bullish gaps. One on Monday, around 24,850 on August 26, and another on Friday, August 30, near 25,200. The Monday gap, the August 26 one, is particularly significant as it also appears on the weekly chart, suggesting that any dip towards this level is likely to be bought into. Before that, the previous swing high around 25,080 could act as an immediate support. However, the next leg of the move may not be as smooth. Stocks on radar today: Maruti Suzuki, TVS Motors, SJVN, Railtel, Biocon, Gujarat Gas, Tata Motors, Eicher Motors, SML Isuzu, MOIL, HPCL, NHPC, NBCC India, Wipro, Biocon, HDFC Asset Management, VST Tiller, Tractors, DCM, Shriram, Emami, Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, Century Textiles, PTC India Financials, Siemens, and Insecticides India will be in focus on September 2. That's today. See you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for today's market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.